cute you were, Cleo. You've always liked getting dirty, haven't you, sweetie?
Ruff!
And here you are, sleeping like a little baby. You played and played until you were so tired you just plopped down and fell asleep. Oh, I forgot about this picture. That's Queenie. Isn't she beautiful? Queen Anne was your grandmother. She was a very special dog, just like you. She used to love to wear fancy collars and ribbons. But this golden crown was always her favorite. Oh, there. Oh, my goodness. You look just like Queen Anne.
Scratching your back on the grass sure feels good.
It sure does, Clifford. There's nothing like it, right, Mac?
It's okay, but I'd rather let Jetta scratch my back. It's not so messy.
Hey! Careful, Mac. I don't want to get grass on my golden crown.
Your crown? You have a crown?
Well, it's not exactly my crown.
Whose crown is it, Cleo?
It belonged to my grandmother, Queen Anne.
Your grandmother was a queen?
Of course, you realize what this means, don't you, Cleo?
Huh? Oh, yeah, of course.
What does it mean, Cleo?
It means, well, you tell him, Mac.
It means that we are in the presence of royalty.
What does that mean, Mac?
Don't you see? If Cleo's grandmother was a queen, it means that Cleo is a princess.
A princess?
A princess?
A princess.
Wow! I'm a princess! I am a princess, I am a princess, I am a princess, I am a princess, I am a... hello? Isn't everyone supposed to bow down in front of a princess?
Of course, Your Majesty.
Yes, Princess Cleo!
Are you okay, T-Bone?
I meant to do that. So I could finish scratching my back on the grass.
Sounds good to me. Don't you want to scratch?
Well, I was kind of hoping maybe you would scratch my back for me, Clifford.
What do you mean?
Well, I am a princess, you know.
Uh-huh.
And it wouldn't be right for a princess to get all green and grass-stained.
Oh, okay, Cleo. I'll scratch your back.
Yes! Oh, I love being a princess.
Huh? Here it comes, Mac!
Whoa! It's all yours, Clifford!
Heads up, Cleo.
That's Princess Cleo.
Go on, Princess Cleo. Go get the ball and let's keep playing.
You know, Mac, I don't think a princess should have to chase after her own ball. Why don't you go and get it for me?
Why would I do that?
Because chasing a ball can make a dog very tired. And a princess should never be allowed to get too tired.
I'll go get it for you.
You will?
Sure. I don't want you to get too tired, Princess Cleo.
Thanks, T-Bone.
Gosh, Cleo, I thought the rules were that whoever missed the ball had to go get it.
Oh, that's still the rule, Clifford. But the rules are different for me. I am a princess after all. Find any bones yet, guys?
No, we haven't. Have you?
Gee, Mac. I don't think Cleo could find any bones. She isn't digging.
Yes, I noticed that.
Why aren't you digging, Cleo?
I'd get much too dirty. My job is to tell everyone else what to do. It's a princess thing.
But you love to dig in the dirt, Cleo.
I used to, but it's different now. I'm different now. I am a princess.
You still look like Cleo to me.
Hey, I found one.
Wow, that's really big, Mac.
Why don't you crack it into pieces, Clifford, so we can all share it?
Okay. Since you found the bone, Mac, you get to pick the first piece.
Ahem. Don't you think I should pick first?
But we always say that whoever finds the bone gets to pick the first piece.
Yeah. That was before we knew I was a princess.
Huh?
Pardon me, Mac. Princess chooses first. You understand, right?
What?
Well, I don't know. Oh, perfect!
That wasn't fair.
No, it wasn't.
Being a princess shouldn't mean that you can be unfair.
Cleo is acting like a completely different dog just because she's wearing a crown.
I liked her better the way she was before she became a princess.
Me too, T-Bone.
Me 3.
Oh, I'm a princess. Yes, I'm a princess. I am a princess. A little. Let's see. What will Princess Cleo tell her friends they're going to play today? Ball at the beach? Hide and seek at the library? Tag in the park? Hey, what's going on? They're already playing without me!
Oh, perfect. This pile of leaves is going to be great for jumping in. Okay, guys. Look out. Here I come! Woohoo! That was great.
I don't believe it. They're jumping in leaves without me. Is that any way to treat a princess?
Okay, guys. The pile's almost ready. Who's next?
I believe it should be me.
Hi, Cleo.
Hello.
What are you guys doing?
We're jumping in leaves.
I can see that. Why do you invite me to jump with you?
Well, the leaves are on the grass, Princess Cleo. You could get all green and grass stained.
I don't mind getting all green and grass stained.
You can get pretty dirty, too. I never heard of a princess getting dirty.
Or tired. Jumping in leaves makes me really tired.
But I love getting dirty and tired and grass stained and all that stuff.
I know that you used to, but that was before you were a princess.
But just because I'm a princess doesn't mean I'm any different than I was before.
Then why were you acting so differently yesterday?
I wasn't acting that differently. All I did was make you scratch my back and fetch the ball when I missed it and give me the biggest piece of the bone and... Oops. I wasn't being very nice, was I? I'm really sorry. I thought it would be fun to try and make you guys do everything my way. But that's not being a very good friend. Can you forgive me?
Sure. Hey, you want to jump next, Cleo?
No thanks, T-Bone. It's your turn next. Then Mac's turn. Then it's my turn.
Okay, then. Here I come.
Ah, just as I thought. A perfect fit.
And so, the princess, to prove that she was a real princess, was ordered to sleep on a mountain of mattresses. Underneath was a single pea.
You know, Clifford, I think it's a lot more fun to read about being a princess than it is to really be a princess.
Clifford! It's story time! You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you?
Woof, woof.
I thought so. He's your favorite. Today's story is Speckle and the Costume Party. Speckle and his friends were reading a wonderful book filled with pictures of a colorful costume party. Luna had never seen anything like a costume party, and she thought it was fantastic. The gang wished they could be invited to such a special event, but Speckle said they didn't have to wait to be invited. They could have a costume party of their own. First, they turned Speckle's backyard into a festive place. Speckle dressed as a brave pirate. Reba and Ravi came as playful circus clowns. Darnell was a regal king. And Luna arrived as an invincible superhero. All their costumed glory, Speckle and his friends agreed that the party they had made together was even better than the party they'd seen in the book. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun?
Woof.
Basketball stories.
Do you see him yet, Emily? Do you see Skyscraper Jackson?
Not yet. I see the fairy, but... wait! I see him! There he is!
Woof, 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 woof.
It's so cool that your dad actually knows Skyscraper Jackson, Emily Elizabeth.
He's the greatest basketball player in the world.
He and my dad have been friends for a long time. Last time he was here, he picked out a brand new puppy to take home, remember? Yep, I remember.
That was cool.
Skyscraper!
Mark!
Oh, it's great to see you.
You too.
You remember my daughter, Emily Elizabeth?
Nice to see you again, Emily Elizabeth.
Thanks.
Yeah, but where's your big red ball-playing friend?
Woof, woof. Woof, woof.
I wouldn't mind having this big guy on my team.
These are some of my friends, Mr. Jackson. I think you met them all the last time you were here.
I sure did. And call me Skyscraper.
I can't believe we get to play ball with you tomorrow in the charity basketball game.
Charlie is still your absolute #1 fan, Skyscraper.
So tell me again how this charity game is going to work tomorrow.
You'll play on our team, with all us kids, against some of the grown-ups. And all the money we collect from selling tickets will go to charity.
Sounds good to me.
Whoa!
And with you on our team, there's no way we can lose.
Right. I bet together we score 100 baskets at tomorrow night's game.
Charlie, are you feeling all right?
Sure, Mr. Howard. My throat's just a little scratchy from too much cheering. Nothing that's gonna make me miss this game.
I'm sorry, Charlie. You have a fever. I can't let you go to the game today.
Oh, no, but Dad...
There are some friends here to see you, though.
We're sorry you're not feeling well, Charlie.
I bet you'd have been the best player on the floor today. Next to Skyscraper, that is.
Thanks, but I'm sure you guys will all play your very best.
We'll come back tomorrow morning and tell you all about it.
Feel better. We'll see you in the morning.
Okay. See you in the morning. Have a good game.
Well, you must be feeling much better this morning, Charlie.
I do feel better, Dad. Do you know how the game went last night?
Well, Emily, Elizabeth, and Vass are here. I bet they can tell you all about it.
Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
How was the game? Did we win? Was it fun? Did Skyscraper make 100 points?
Hello? Was it safe?
It's safe. The doctor says Charlie is no longer contagious.
That's great, because I wrote the most amazing story about the game last night, and I wanted to personally give it to Charlie.
You wrote me a story about the game last night?
We all did. That way you can keep the stories and read about the game anytime you want to.
Will you read them to me?
Of course! Why don't you start, Emily Elizabeth? It's always good to save the best for last. Okay, Jetta, I'll go first. The stands were filled with cheering fans. Jetta was coaching us from the sidelines. Yay! Hit a touchdown! Mix it up! Score a goal! Shoot a home run! Everyone was playing their best. The game was almost over, and the grown-ups team, the Island Giants, had scored 60 points. But the Island Sprouts were only 2 points behind, and we were determined to catch up.
Look out, Giants! The Sprouts are on the move!
Huh? What happened?
Alley-oop! And into the bucket!
Now the score was tied. One more basket and our team would win. Soon, Skyscraper had the ball again. Everyone was having so much fun. Even Mr. Bleakman.
Whoa!
But you'll never believe how we finally won the game. I stole the ball from my dad.
Huh? Hey!
That's it! Fake left! Fake right! Score a touchdown! Then somehow the ball got away from me. Get it, Clifford!
Woof, woof.
All the way!
Then Baz got the ball, but he started running the wrong way. Then Skyscraper got Baz.
Come on, Vaz, we're going in for the score.
And together, they made the game-winning basket.
Wow!
Just barely beating the buzzer. And so, thanks to great teamwork and a lot of help from Skyscraper, Jackson, and Clifford, the Island Sprouts won the game.
That was great, Emily Elizabeth.
It was great, but it wasn't quite right. Here's how I remember it. Emily Elizabeth did get the ball from her dad, but she got a little confused when Coach Jetta started yelling directions.
That's it! Fake left! Fake right! Score a touchdown!
Things got even more confusing when Clifford got the ball. I knew it was crunch time. I was going to have to get out there and give it all I had.
Go, Vaz! Go!
Woo! Woo!
I took the ball down the court in the wrong direction, but it was all part of my plan.
Clever move, Vaz.
Come on, Skyscraper. Let's take her in for the score. directed Skyscraper through the maze of players, guiding him skillfully toward the hoop. But my brains and Skyscraper's height just weren't quite enough. It was time to call in Clifford, who lifted us up to slam dunk the winning basket. Yay!
Ooh, I don't remember it happening that way at all, Vaz.
So how do you remember it, Jetta?
Well, the pressure was on and things were looking tough. But lucky for our team, I am absolutely amazing under pressure. I knew it was time for one of my brilliant strategies. Pick left, pick right, score a touchdown! Go, go, go! My players, however, were not being very good listeners. It was time to call in our ace player, Clifford! Then, in an amazingly clever bit of strategy, I had Vaz confuse the other team by running the wrong way with the ball. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! And thanks to my remarkable coaching skills, our team got the striped ball into the hoop thingy just before the alarm went off. The end.
That was a really great story too, Jetta.
Thank you. And here's your very own copy so you can read it anytime you want to.
Thanks. It'll be fun to read all these stories again and again.
Charlie, you have more visitors.
Hey, Charlie.
Skyscraper! And Clifford.
Glad to see you're feeling better. We missed you yesterday. But I thought you might like to have the game-winning ball.
Wow, and you wrote on it. Let's get together and play some one-on-one the next time I visit Birdwell Island. Stay cool, Skyscraper Jackson. You mean it?
You know it.
Thanks. I'll keep this forever.
Looks like Clifford's up for a game already.
Playing with someone else's toys is fun. But it's best to ask permission before you use something that doesn't belong to you.
Hey, what's this? Wow, cool! This must be Clifford's new toy. Let's see what it can do.
I don't know, Cleo. That toy isn't ours. It's Clifford's. I don't think we should use it without asking him first. How would you feel if someone used your favorite toy without asking first?
I wouldn't like it. Okay, I'll wait till Clifford comes back and ask if I can use it.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Clifford. We came to see if you could play and saw your cool new toy. Can we play with it?
Sure. Thanks for asking, Cleo.
Asking permission before you use something that doesn't belong to you shows that you respect that person and the things that belong to them. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is have respect. Cleo.
Oh, just look how cute you were, Cleo. You've always liked getting dirty, haven't you, sweetie?
Ruff!
And here you are, sleeping like a little baby. you played and played until you were so tired you just plopped down and fell asleep. Oh, I forgot about this picture. That's Queenie. Isn't she beautiful? Queen Anne was your grandmother. She was a very special dog, just like you. She used to love to wear fancy collars and ribbons. But this golden crown was always her favorite. Oh, there. Oh, my goodness. You look just like Queen Anne.